So far, does this make sense? Does the fact that we have two methods, one that's responsible for retrieving data and the other one that's responsible for setting data, does that at least does that part itself make sense? Properties are yeah, it depends on the use case. It really does. But as far as what properties are, like I said before, languages that don't have properties, you must do this. This is how you do object-oriented programming in languages that don't support properties, Java and C++ and other languages like that support object-oriented features but not properties. A property is essentially a shorthand way of doing what you see right here. So what we can do is declare a property, and we'll make it public because most of our properties will be public. And we can call it name and follow the naming conventions of properties, which are going to be uppercase as the first character. And the syntax inside of a property is very odd looking, I'll admit. But what you do is you open up something that looks like a field. So you give it your access modifiers, your type, and your identifier. And then you open up these curlies. And inside the curlies, you can define two methods. Optionally, you can define only one method if you want. You can define two methods if you want. So the two methods you can define are the getter and the setter. And the getter corresponds to the method you see right here, and the setter corresponds to the method you see right here.